Oh, hello there. Everyone knows change can be good, but it always helps to understand what's changed and why. I'm here to give you a hand with that and to show you the new video page. Ta-da! It puts the video back at center stage and simplifies the look and functionality of one of the most important pages on YouTube. Come on, let's take a tour. Now let's look at some of the features. First, we have simplified the masthead. Remember what these used to look like? Here's another change I think you're going to like. Remember how the old page had several boxes and an assortment of links? Remember how information was spread out all over the page? Well, let's see what happens if we just move a few things around. Now we're grouping information together, and the right side of the page is all about the next video. It's cleaner and simpler. Just click on the views to see more stats. Okay, when you finish watching a video on YouTube, you want another one without lifting a finger, right? On the new page, we queue up the next video for you. Sometimes it's based on where you came from. For example, if you watch a video you discovered on your homepage from one of the channels you're subscribed to, we'll queue up the rest of the new items from your subscriptions. We'll do the same for recommendations and the recent activity feed. Now, let's talk about comments. Where are all the buttons and links? Just hover your mouse over a comment, and there they are. You can also use hashtags for topics and @username for replies. But there's more. We're also launching a highlights view on many videos, which will feature uploader comments, highest rated comments, video responses, and most recent comments. Why? To better surface the best conversations on YouTube and celebrate when uploaders communicate with their audience. Remember how you used to have to hunt for the channel name and subscribe button? Well, now they're both right here at the top of the video. We found that you prefer to have a quick peek at all the videos uploaders have created. It makes it easier to decide if you want to subscribe. We've also cleaned up the actions bar. As you can see, it's a totally different presentation for flagging, embedding, and sharing controls. And you can save to playlists. First, there's the familiar favorites list. You can also see other playlists or create a new one by simply typing in a title. We have also simplified the way you rate videos. Since most people either rate a video with 5 stars or none at all, we decided a like or dislike approach made more sense. Now, if you like a video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you really don't like it, click thumbs down. I know some of you will miss the 5-star ratings, but we feel this is more efficient, easier to use, and more fun. So after a ton of research, here is the new YouTube video page. It's cleaner, it's more user-friendly, and it's more focused on videos, since that's why you came to YouTube in the first place. Basically, it's handier and handsomer than ever. Okay, I'm done. See ya.